T90103. The blue and red pressure indicator. To remove the red pressure indicator, you must first remove the lid from the base of the pressure cooker, turn the lid over, and then loosen the nut and washer on the blue and red pressure indicators using a spanner, then unscrew. Remove the rubber cover. With your finger on the top of the blue indicator, use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the red plug. Remove your finger and pull the blue indicator from the cavity. Turn the lid back over and remove the spring. Replacing the pressure indicator. First, replace the washer on the underside of the lid. Then, screw the nut back into place and tighten using your hand. From underneath, place the blue indicator back in the cavity and hold in place. Replace the spring around the blue indicator and refit the red plug into the indicator. Refit the rubber cover over the red plug and push the button to see if the indicator freely moves. Tighten the screw using a spanner. Seasoning the sealing ring. After extended use, the sealing ring can become damaged and cracked. To avoid this, you should ensure that you season the sealing ring of your tower pressure cooker regularly. To do this, you must first remove the ring. Then, wash the ring using soapy warm water and then dry. Using vegetable or olive oil, rub a drop of oil into your fingers and massage it into the sealing ring on both the inside and outside, before replacing the ring back in the pressure cooker lid. Please note, we recommend changing your sealing ring every 12 to 24 months depending on usage. Removal and replacement of the vent pipe. To remove the vent pipe, first twist off the pressure limiting valve from the lid of the pressure cooker. Turn the lid upside down and remove the locking nut from underneath the lid using a spanner. Unscrew the washer and push out the vent pipe. If the pipe is blocked, clean using a thin pipe cleaner and run it through several times until any blockages or dirt is removed. Once cleaned, push the vent pipe back through the lid. Replace the washer and screw over the thread. Screw on the locking nut with your hand and then tighten with a spanner. Turn the lid back over and replace the pressure limiting valve by pushing it over the vent pipe. Once done, twist to check. Removing and replacing the safety valve. On the underside of the lid, loosen the safety valve using a spanner and unscrew the entire red safety valve as one. Replace the new safety valve by screwing it back in through the underside of the lid. Then tighten with a spanner.